Here I have OnePlus Nord CE3, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to find yourself this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside this hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here on this side we have SIM 2, on the other side we have SIM 1, so let's insert SIM 1. And then put it back into our device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.